मारता बाहों में आ सोनिए बस आज रात के लिए साढ़े दंद सी है अदा साढ़े ते हो जाने फिदा बाहों में आ सोनिए बस आज रात के लिए
She is a real girl, I tell you. The whole group, में she is the girl.
She should be honored with a small gift.
Everybody is a, she is a girl.
It doesn't look like. I mean, catch up.
Here's another little bit of break.
You're taking a drink break, man.
No, but it's
Yeah. तुम दारू पी रहा है यार, दारू का ब्रेक है ये.
it's a study. Like even if you
Okay,
do
so let's do this, Madhvi.
dancing,
Let's do the Valentine.
Yes, let's move ahead with the Valentine.
Madhvi. You know, husbands who have wife here, and then we will do the rest. Is that?
What's the format?
Yeah. No, so the format is like this. Wife will be sitting there. Ready? Okay. Is that position correct? Yeah. Yes. So husband has to tell something good about wife that he likes. You know, some special things. And you can make it interesting, whatever you think is appropriate. And wife will respond with
Good, better.
yeah, with a better response of what she finds good in husband. Is that okay? Pata nahi. Okay, let's.
Leave it to the ladies. Let them decide what they want to hear.
Okay. No, we are open to any suggestions. Okay, all right. Yeah. So we'll do one demo.
No demo. No demo.
No, I'm not doing demo with somebody else.
Hey, please. I'll say sorry.
A husband can be more creative in taking their wife to the stage. I'm not that creative, but you know, others can be. Okay.
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Look. Smile, please.
That's okay. अच्छा, फूल तो आगे करो.
Say something.
Yeah. So
I don't think it's a good idea to sit and stand because everybody will not be able to knit.
a really good time together, and the best thing about Madhvi is she's very creative, and she has a lot of range of skills, which I really appreciate. You have anything good to say about her?
Take your own time to think. Okay?
Oh yeah, I
Don't
know.
be in a hurry. Take your own time to think.
Oh, really?
Only talk good things, because bad things means the whole night will go. Okay.
No, he's been a wonderful man and a wonderful husband, and he's a great father, and he's a very what do you say, you know? I don't know what to say. But he's a very nice man, and I don't think I would have got a better husband than him.
Thank you. permission. So guys, you can be more creative. Who is next?
Of my life,
You give me hope.
you give me hope to carry you home.
I should say to carry home. Thank you. What am I supposed to say? You're supposed to say something good about me.
Everything is good about her, and I especially like her cooking.
Maru! Maru! हाँ.
Kill him, kill him, kill him. He's lying, he's lying.
खाना मिल गया खुश.
Every morsel that she feeds me goes straight to the right place. Thank you.
Enough, thanks.
Hey, you say something about him.
हाँ.
His one quality, his one quality.
Embarrassing.
His one quality. Lie, right, lie.
I think all of you know he makes a great friend.
That's great, that's great, that's great. Great, great. What else, what else?
I keep her happy.
No, yes, she has to tell. She has to say.
You're prompting, sorry, I didn't know.
God. What do I say? About
Second best quality.
Say I'm your
Second
better
one.
half.
Yeah.
No. He is non-interfering husband.
Oh, great.
It suits me just fine.
Great.
Yeah, he doesn't tell me what to do. So it's good. I guess that's
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Baby.
it. Oh,
Thank you.
मर गए. So many lies I had to tell now.
Joy, please come forward.
I have to make sure this is India.
Okay.
The chair can withstand the load.
Hey, don't curse my country. Don't curse my country. Mike, please.
And I just made sure that the chair is good enough to withstand the load. So that's why I did that. I didn't mean to.
Joy, you can sleep
So,
in
like-
my room tonight.
Patty, ever since you came to my life can be divided into two parts, like pre-heart surgery operation and post-heart surgery operation. So my life after post-heart surgery operation, when I met you in the Stone Road Mall, it has really changed my life. And I'm really, really thankful to you, grateful to you. I've never been so happy in my life before. Will you be my Valentine, please?
Say something about him.
Well, Jay's always been very supportive, and even though we have crazy hours at work, he always meets me with a smile when I get in the door, and that's very supportive, and I always love him for it. Thanks, Jay.
Okay. Now you have to tell Joy about her. Be there, be there. What's her best quality?
I already told.
Okay,
Well, she gives me a lot of space. She's not very interfering at all.
okay.
And as I told you, like she's changed my life after my post-operation. Like as I told you, I can distinctly divide my life into two parts: pre-heart operation surgery and post-heart operation surgery.
Oh, sorry. Gurdat. Sorry. Sorry.
Wonderful couple.
My lovely darling Gayatri.
No!
Ever since she is coming to my life, I just not able to take count of my time. I don't know how time flies. Whenever she's around, we do everything together. Whether it is getting up early in the morning, doing walking, sometimes cooking. Most of the time she does the cooking, I do the eating. But still we do it together. And she's a wonderful wife who's taken care of our children very, very well. And she's a wonderful mother. And ever since she's come to my life has been nothing but great happiness. Thank you very much for coming to my life and making my life a great one.
Thank you. What more can I say?
What do you find best in him? What do you find best in him?
What do you find best in me? If
Yeah.
at all you find something.
He's my best friend. I although have a lot of friends, but I think he's my best friend. And whatever I can share everything with him. He's available for me always, and he gives me the freedom to do whatever I want. And he's a great dancer.
Thank you very much. She is Jayashree, my wife. I love her very much. She has good quality. Is good mother also, and good wife also. You say something.
आप बंगाली में या हिंदी में
আমি শিলিগুড়িতে থাকি আমার মাদার হোম শিলিগুড়ি বিয়ে হয়েছে করিমগঞ্জ তাই আমার একটু ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজের ডিস্টার্ব হয় তবে আমি অ্যাডজাস্ট করে নিয়েছি আমার হাজবেন্ড খুব 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 ভালো
Hello. So, to my only wonderful wife, this is for you. I am really very, very grateful in my life that she is with me. She has made me realize what I can be. That's the greatest thing I have got from her.
He's extremely meticulous person. He's a very systematic person, which I'm not, absolutely. So I've learned a lot of things, how to carry on in my life. He's my emotional pillar. He's a supportive father, support system to the entire family.
Thank you.